Now third question, the conical flask. These are the cone flask. Next one is cylindrical flask. Already told you. What I told you? A radius R 8 H. But here radius R 8 H1. Okay. Now what is given? The first one, conical flask is full of water. The flask has base radius R only, H only. Okay. Is poured into cylindrical flask. Of base radius is XR. H is R scale. This is there. That's all. Small idea. Now write the formula for conical flask. Let V1 equal to volume of conical flask. That is the cone. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi R square x. The formula. 1 by 3 pi R square only. H only. That's all. R only, H only. Understand? That's right. Same thing. Now, let V2 equal to volume of cylindrical flask. Cylindrical flask. What is the formula? Pi R1 square H1. Pi into R1 is what? XR. XR into XR into H1. Okay? Now multiply x is x square, R square, H1. Okay? Now what is asking? Height of the cylindrical flask is asking. That's why if I get V2 equal to V1. What is V2? Pi into x square into R square into H1 equal to that 1 by 3 pi R square x. Am I right? Now the pi cancel. R square cancel. H1 is equal to h by 3 is the cos from x square. This one. Therefore, height of the cylindrical flask is h by 3x square centimeter. Unit given upper unit. That's all. Number whatever they do. Write the formula, substitute the value. Here height is asked. That's all. Fourth question. A salt rises at the cone. The first is cone. Cone diameter. Radius means diameter by 2. That is 7 centimeter. H is what? 8 centimeter. This one. Next step, melted to form a hollow sphere. A hollow sphere. Here, with the external diameter, that is capital R. That is what? 10 centimeter. 10 by 2, 5 centimeter. Then small r. Then R1, question mark. The diameter is asking. Question mark, R1 question mark, diameter 2R1, right? That is asking. Isn't it? The first one is that V1 equal to volume of cone. What is the formula? 1 by 3 pi R square, H is the formula. 1 by 3 pi R square, 7 into 7, H is 8. Need not cancel. Am I right? Now next one is that V2 equal to volume of hollow sphere. Hollow sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi R cube minus R cube. Here one is important. 4 by 3 pi R cube minus R cube. It will be R1. Substitute here. Don't put the value for pi. This is pi cube minus R1 cube. By data, what I told you? This is also, you know, be R1. V2 equal to V1. Am I right? Any one of the quantity, radius or height asking me equivalently both the volume. 4 by 3 pi cube. Pi is 25. 25 into 5, 125. Here R1 cube equal to 1 by 3 pi 7 into 7 is 8. Alright? 5 will cancel. This 3 also cancel. Alright? Now 125 minus R cube equal to after cancel saying 7 into 7 into 8 is the norm. Divided by 4 here norm. 1 time, 2 times. And again 125 minus R1 cube is equal to 7 7 49. 49 into 98. Alright? Now 125 minus 98 equal to R1 cube. R1 cube equal to subtract 7. 27. The 27 can 3 cube. Alright? 3 3s are 9. 9 is 27. Our cube cancel. R1 equal to 3. But what is happening? Diameter of hollow sphere only asking. Diameter means 2R1, 2 into 3, 6 centimeters is answer. Clearly melted. The cone is melted and forming a hollow sphere. Right, the volume of the cone and the hollow sphere, then equal to both the volume, that is the answer. Now listen here. Fifth question, lengthy question. The Sears house has an overhead tank, water tank, no water tank, in the shape of cylinder. This is filled by pumping water from the sump underground tank. Sump, you know, all the houses are having sump actually. That is called underground tank, water tank. Water, the shape of cuboid, the cylindrical tank is cuboid. Now, it clearly given, what do you know? The sump has dimension, length 2 meters. Right? Then breadth 1.5 meters. Pitch 1 meter is given. Then another question, the overall tank has radius is what? 60 centimeters. And the height is what? 105 centimeters. Right? Anyway, here centimeter is given. What is the meter is given? That's why 2 into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, but 200 meters. Yes? Multiply 100, no? 150 meters, 100 meters. In this way, you want to multiply meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 2 into 100, 200 centimeters. 1.5 into 100 is 150 centimeters. 1 into 100 in centimeters. This only is given. This only given. From the question, this is given. Now, what all the data are given? Here, what is asking now? Find the volume of the water left in the sump. Left in the sump is you want to subtract. That's important. Am I correct? The sump is there. The sump. The cube is sump. This is actually what? Overhead tank. Am I correct? In all the house, having syntax diagram in the form of cylindrical tank. Therefore, from the sump, you want to fill the cylindrical tank, water tank. Now, what is asking? What is the volume of the water left in the sump? That is subtraction is asking. Previously equaling both, then divide both. Now subtract with the sum. Now, first one is what? Volume of cylinder. What is formula? Pi r square x. Yeah, pi not in money. 3 part formula is n into b x. So put the volume pi value. 20 by 7. R square 60 into 60. X is what? 1.5. You can count it 1 times 35 times. Now multiply all. We get the empty number. What is the answer? Therefore, you want to multiply all the value. 22 into 60 into 105. You get the answer 118800 centimeter cube. Next, V2 equal to volume of the cuboid. What is the formula? L into B into X. Length into base into X. What is the answer? 200 into 150 into 100. Now multiply 30, 2 into 30, how many zeros? 2, 3, 5 zeros. Okay? Centimeter cube. Now this is a bigger quantity now. You want to subtract bigger quantity to small quantity, that is the answer. Now read the question. What is asking? What is asking? The volume of the water. Volume of the water left in the sump. Sump means cuboid. Sump means SUMP, the sump, that means underground water tank. It is underground water tank. It is called underground water tank. Which is equal to B2 minus B1. B2 is what? 3. How many zeros? 2, 4, 6 zeros. 6 zeros. Am I right? Minus here 3 zeros. Then 8, 8, 1, 1. You want to subtract? Correct answer. 0, 0, 0, 2. 9 is 1. 9 is 8. 2 is 1. Alright. 1, 8, 1. 1, 8, 1. 2, 0, 0, 0. This is a centimeter cube only. This much water can hold in some. That is answer. When we here also find volume 1, volume 2. But here subtract. Because what is the volume of water left in the sump? Remaining water is asking. That's why you want to subtract. Now this is a sixth question. Read the question. The internal and external diameter of a hollow sphere are 6 cm and 10 cm. What is given? Internal, that is small r. Diameter is 6 by 2, that is what? 3 cm. Capital 10 cm is divided by 2, 5 cm. Clearly given. Internal and external. Diameter is given. That's why internal is small r. Diameter is divided by 2. And external is capital. Diameter is divided by 2, that is 5 cm. Now, cylindrical part, it is melted and recast into solid cylinder diameter. Here also diameter is what? R1, 14 cm, 14 by 2, 7 cm. What is asking? The height of the cylinder is asking. That's all question. Why was question? From the data, R diameter given, divided by 2, that is radius. Now, as usual, it V1 equal to volume of the hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere is important. Hollow hemisphere. What is the formula? 2 by 3 pi capital Q minus small r cube. 2 by 3 pi capital Q, pi cube minus 3q. Okay? 2 by 3 pi cube. That is what? 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times. 5 by 25. 25 into 5, 25. 3 cube, 3 into 3, 3 times. 3 is 9, 9 is 27. Now subtract 98. Need not cancel. That's all. Next one. Let V2 equal to volume of only cylinder. Already told you. External diameter, internal diameter. External radius, internal radius. Thickness or hollow. These are all word involving by using the hollow formula, hollow cylinder, hollow hemisphere, hollow sphere. In this way you want to use. But here, next one, the external is not given. That's why only cylinder, not hollow cylinder. What is the formula? Pi r square, this is the formula. But one more here. So to here, pi only r square is what? 7 into 7, the h1. Now h1 asks you know. That's why if I get a V2 equal to already told you, any one of the quantity asking me equally both the volume. Now substitute here, 5 into 7 into 7 into h1 equal to here 2 by 3 into 5 into 98. Okay? 5 by cancel. We want h1 equal to 2 by 2 in 98. Here only 3 is there. 3 into 7 into 7. Okay? 7 7 are 49. 2 times 4 by 3. What is the answer? h1 equal to 4 by 3 means in 4, 3 how many? one time. Divide. What time 3 no? Repeat 1. 0 means 1. 3 times 9. Again 1. 0 3. 1.33. Okay, what is given unit? Centimeter. Centimeter. Therefore, height of the cylinder is 1.33 centimeter. What is the answer? Only by using 2 times body formula. Body of the hollow sphere, hollow hemisphere, body of the cylinder. Then equal to one point is asking. This 7 centimeter is given. Their question mark. That's why height is asking. That's why you need to both the volume. Now 7th question. A solid sphere of radius is 6 centimeter melted. One sphere is there that is melted and made into hollow cylinder. Yes, sphere. Yes, hollow cylinder. This is very important. In sphere, radius is equal to 6 centimeter diameter. That is number 1. Next one, hollow cylinder with the external radius of the base of cylinder is external. Kepler is given. Height also given. Am I right? Find the thickness of the cylinder is asking. Thickness is asking. Thickness is what is formula? Kepler minus formula is asking. But Kepler given to find smaller. After separate to bigger. Am I right? Now let B1 equal to volume of the sphere. What is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube r 6 no? 6 into 6 into 6. Cancel 2 times. So 4 pi into 2 into 6 into 6. This is the first answer. B2 equal to volume of hollow cylinder. What is the formula? Hollow cylinder formula? Pi h into r square minus r square is the formula. Am I right? Pi h is exactly cylinder have cylinder formula. Pi into h is what? Capital square is what? Pi square minus r square. Am I right? Am I right? Now by data V2 equal to V1. Because V is smaller. V is smaller. Otherwise R1, H1, R1, H1. All are H1. That means not make. That's all. Yeah? Hollow cylinder is the hollow cylinder. That's all. Now, what is the formula? Value pi into 32 into pi square 25 minus r square. Here 4 pi into 2 into 2 into 6. Sorry, 2 into 6 into 6. 1 pi cancel. Alright? But 25 minus r square here equal to 4 into 2 into 6 into 6 divided by 32. 1 times 8 times. Okay? 1 times 4 times. Again 2 times 3 times. 2 times 2 times. In this way, get the answer. 3 these are 9. Am I right? 25 minus 9 equal to r square. R square equal to 16. This square minus 4 square. R equal to 4. Am I right? For thickness asking me, thickness, the formula of thickness, Kepler minus small r. Kepler not equal to 5 centimeter. This 4 centimeter. 1 centimeter is the thickness. That is answer. The thickness formula is Kepler minus small r. Here also we are using 2 times body formula. One is body of the sphere, another is body of the hollow cylinder. Read the question. From the question, write the data clearly. Then write the body formula. Now all the descended from all the what is that? Word involving the melted, made into, recast into, comedy numbers. This way ask me. This is the idea. Fine. Do volumes separately. Afterwards, divide both or equate both or subtract this way. Answer. Now listen here. 8th question. Is the question, let the question. A hemispherical bowl is filled with the brim with juice. The juice is poured into the cylindrical vessel. First one is hemispherical bowl full of juice is poured into the cylindrical vessel. Now height is h. H is height only. H means height is h only. But radius equal to what is known? Radius is equal to whose radius is 50% more than this height. 50% more than this height. That is what height always there. More than 50% of height is important. So h plus that is what 50 by 100 into h. Okay? Cancel. How many times? 1 time, 2 times. So 2 is LCM. 2h plus h. Therefore, the correct answer 3h by 2 is so radius. Okay? Listen here. Height is h. Radius is equal to 50% more than height. 50% more than height. H plus more than plus h plus 50% of height. 50 plus 50 by 100 is 1 by 2 into h. 2 is LCM. 3h by 2. The radius will be equal. Diameters are equal already given. For both the radius will be equal. Both the radius will be equal. Okay? Now ask yourself, the V1 equal to volume of the hemisphere, hemispherical bowl or hemispherical, the same. 2 by 3 pi r square, pi 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay? Volume of the hemisphere. 2 by 3 pi, r is what? 3h by 2 whole cube. 2 by 3 pi, 3 times 1 by 27, h cube by 8 times. Okay? 1 time 9 times. 1 times 4 times. After cancellation, 9 by 4 pi h cube. Okay? 9 by 4 pi into h cube. Need not put the pi value. Need not put the pi value. Similarly, find the volume of the cylindrical vessel. V2 equal to volume of the cylinder. What is the formula? Pi r square h. Pi only. R is what? 3h by 2 whole square. Into h. Square is what? 9h square by 4. Into h. Multiply pi. What is the answer? 9 by 4 pi h square into h cube. Come on, answer. Both the value will be equal. Now what is the question? What is the question? Find the percentage of juice that can be transferred from the bowl into cylindrical vessel. How many percentage of juice converted hemispherical to bowl to the cylindrical vessel? Asking. But both volume is equal. Tell me all the 100% juice transferred into the cylindrical vessel. That is answer. How many percentage of juice that can be transferred from hemispherical bowl to cylindrical vessel? Is asking. But both volume equal. Tell me sir. All the juices transferred into the hemispherical bowl to cylindrical vessel. That means what? 10%. That means 100%. Therefore, V1 equal to V2. Am I correct? Am I correct? The first answer. The second answer. By chance, from 1 to 2 will be equal. Therefore, what is the answer? What is the 100%? The 100% of hence 100% of juice can be transferred. Can be transferred from the hemispherical bowl to the cylindrical bowl. That's all. Here, the 7.4 exercise. I did all the 8 example exercise problem and 3 more example problem also. We have lost exercise. Very, very important concept. All the problems are only by using volume formula, no other formula. The surface area, TSA, CSA, not like the formula. All the problems are by only using only volume formula. That's why the last exercise, very, very, very important exercise. and after you got 5 more concept. Thorough all the volume formula, then do yourself one by one.